everyone, welcome to Rashmi's vlog live. So every year I put my birthday makeup video. I thought I'll do this time also, since it's a special birthday for me and it's like a most happy and cherishing birthday for me. And this is my birthday dress. I'm wearing like a sky blue, kind of a pastel blue frock. I'm pairing everything with a pink, like a pink belt and pink crunchies, and that's what I'm pink sandal as like a, it's like what to say, it's like a gender kind of theme this time, because since I'm pregnant and I don't know when I will upload this video. Right now I'm 23 weeks pregnancy is going on. I didn't take any videos in this 6 months. 6 months is running. Since 6 months I haven't taken any video because I'm not in that good condition, because I have had completely, like, still I'm having vomiting only. I couldn't eat anything, and that's what happened. I shredded weight like anything, and almost like 20 kilos I reduced, and now only I'm started to eat. Still I'm vomiting like badly. I don't know when I'll upload this video. Till that, I thought I'll record the video. Every year I do this. And I just washed my face. I'm gonna prep my face with Khadi natural herbal moisturizer. It's a rose and honey. You have seen in my skincare haul video. That's what I'm using it. I'm gonna prep my face. This is the exact makeup what I had for my Valagapu fifth month function for ceremony. For 5th month function, I had simple makeup only. I didn't put any foundation or anything. If it's possible, I'll attach a clip of my picture or a video of mine. I'm gonna use a Sadev natural lip balm. It's beetroot and coconut oil. This is second tub. It gives nice pink tint, like blush rose tint. It gives like a blush pink tint it gives. And I'm gonna use my Benetton. It's almost gonna get over, but this is a mini one. I feel it's worth to purchase a mini rather than going for a bigger one. It's like almost 3 years I'm using it. It gives a mild, flushy, fresh rose effect. And I'm gonna use Becca. This one is Becca backlight priming filter, base filtrants. So I'm gonna use Becca's backlight priming filter, and I'm gonna highlight my face. Like, it gives me a extra glow to my face. It looks like exactly a champagne pop kind of thing only, but this primer itself, I use it like a highlighter. Like, it's like a straw cream only, like in MAC, how the straw cream works. That's how this one also works. So whatever I have, I'll apply it on my eyelids also. It instantly gives you a nice glow to your skin. Extra glow I need in this pregnancy. Like, and I forgot to do one more thing with this blush. I applied on my eyelids too. It gives a natural tint on my eyelid. A kind of eyebrow effect. Sorry, it's kind of a eyeshadow effect it gives. I can't talk continuously because I don't know whether I'm 1 second slightly burning. I thought of use a Smashbox always on gel liner, like eyeliner. This one is Smashbox always on gel liner, eyeliner gel. But I don't know whether to use it or not. I'm in dilemma because I don't want my under eyes to look. I'm in dilemma whether I use or not. I don't know. That's it. But I use that one for my Valagapu. So I'm using Rentless Red MAC, but I thought of go for Gucci, but I changed my mind. I need little bright lipstick. To last it little longer, what I do is I just take a tissue. See? That's it. This is the simple makeup I'm wearing for my birthday night, dinner night. I don't know whether I'll go out or not. Still, it's not confirmed. If I go I may take pictures and I may upload in this. I may attach a video clip of my birthday cake cutting. Everything is like gender theme, like blue and pink, everything. That's why I'm wearing everything in blue and pink. One more thing, I don't know when I will update that. Probably after delivery, I guess so. I don't know, I'll add this clip also. I'm talking. Okay, thank you so much for watching Rashmi's vlog live. If you like this video, thank you. And I'll see you in another interesting video. Take care of you. God bless you all. Bye bye. I will keep kumkum on my forehead and on the top of my forehead and on my head. I'll keep that one when I go out. Now I'm waiting for my hubby boy to come. Take care.
Calma, tapi itu dah. Mata ni sultan lupa. Mem sultan kacau cakap lah. Alai, alai rumah jatuh kan.
Dah, tinggal nak. Dah,